the free way to Bitcoin cash flow. How to earn 2.74 Bitcoin in 73 days following this step-by-step system. Disclaimer: the following presentation shows an example outline to point out the power of the freeway system, while the price for our traffic package option 1 is 0.00025 Bitcoin, and you will not spend any money out of pocket. We assume an average share value of 50 Satoshi in this example. The actual share value will vary. A lower average share value will slow down the process, while a higher average share value will speed it up. Also, this example assumes that you and everybody in your downline team will follow the exact same procedure as outlined in the following presentation, and that all purchases are made with earnings. If the average person takes longer to refer 4 new members, the process will slow down. If they are faster, the process will speed up. Any values mentioned are based on the outline in this example presentation. Hi, my name is Frank Bauer, co-founder of Infinity Traffic Boost, and I want to help you build up your Bitcoin cash flow starting right now. Like all good things, this system is simple, but it does take some effort and duplication. Teamwork and duplication are what makes this possible. Let's get started. We have created an easy-to-follow system to help you get rolling to build your Bitcoin portfolio with zero out of pocket and just 30 minutes of your time each day. And if you prefer a 3-minute-a-day system, I recommend to check out our fast track video. Let me ask you a question. If I could show you a way to spend 30 minutes a day online, follow a few simple instructions, and within 73 days you could earn 2.74 Bitcoin, would you be interested in learning more? When you see the math and the logic of 30 minutes a day and a logical game plan, do you know 4 or more people who would first invest 30 minutes a day, and second follow instructions, and third duplicate? If your answers are yes, then wow, we can help you. Here's all you have to do. First, surf 100 pages a day here at Infinity Traffic Boost. Second, refer 4 or more friends to do the same. The faster you get your friends surfing and earning, the faster you'll be able to advance and earn over 2 full Bitcoins or more. We recommend to refer 1 member every second day for 8 days. Use your Surf and Roll Pool shares earnings to purchase the traffic package option 1 as soon as you earn the funds, in 31 days when you surf 100 pages a day. Tip: to make it easier for yourself, we recommend that you don't change the default setting Get Paid option. Use earnings to purchase TPOs your way up in the affiliate earnings section. Check out the full explanation, then start surfing and tell your friends as soon as possible. Think about it. Spend 30 minutes a day surfing, and with duplication as noted above, you can earn 2.74 Bitcoin in 73 days. Wow! Here's how it can work for you if you simply A. Surf 100 pages a day, and B. Refer 1 new member that follows the same system every second day for 8 days. Your referrals must refer 4 people who can follow instructions like you, and they will do the same. It's simple and anyone can do it, and anyone can start with zero out of pocket. That means that the entire world is your audience. Just surf to earn to get started. Please keep in mind that when the Bitcoin pricing changes, the Bitcoin values and times mentioned in this video will change, but the system will remain the same. Freeway Day 1. You start and end it as a surfer with 0 Satoshi in your ITB wallet. You will get paid 500 Satoshi for 10 shares at midnight. Freeway Day 2. You started and ended as a surfer with 500 Satoshi in your ITB wallet. You make your first direct referral. You'll get paid 500 Satoshi for 10 shares at midnight. To keep this video short, I will show you the next 29 days without reading it all out for you. Feel free to pause the video at any time to read along. Day 3, Day 4, Day 5, Day 6, Day 7, Day 8, Day 9, Day 10, Day 11, Day 12, Day 13, Day 14, Day 15, Day 16, Day 17, Day 18, Day 19, Day 20, Day 21, Day 22, Day 23, Day 24, Day 25, Day 26, Day 27, Day 28, Day 29, Day 30, Day 31. As you can see, on day 31 you will have earned enough to now join the members that started with the fast track system. At this point you can reduce your daily surfing to 10 pages a day, unless you prefer to earn more. Here's how it will continue for you once you are on the Fast Track system. Fast Track Day 1. You started and ended as a Tier 1 advertiser with 900 Satoshi in your ITB wallet. You have 4 direct referrals. You'll get paid 50 Satoshi for 1 share at midnight. Again, to keep this video short, I'll now show you the next 41 days without reading it all out for you. Feel free to pause the video at any time to read along. Day 2, Day 3, Day 4, Day 5, Day 6, Day 7, Day 8, Day 9, Day 10, Day 11, Day 12, Day 13, Day 14, Day 15, Day 16, Day 17, Day 18, Day 19, Day 20, Day 21, Day 22, Day 23, Day 24, Day 25, Day 26, Day 27, Day 28, Day 29, Day 30, Day 31, Day 32, Day 33, Day 34. On this day you will have reached the highest status of top tier advertiser. Day 35, Day 36, Day 37, Day 38, Day 39, Day 40, Day 41, and Day 42. Congratulations, you did it and earned yourself 2.74 Bitcoin with no out-of-pocket expense. The earnings will quite probably continue after 42 days on the Fast Track system because of the reverse 1-up compensation plan. But of course, you can always refer more people to increase your earnings and the traffic you receive even more. What if you refer 8 instead of 4? Or 12? Or 16? You can stop referring more members when you believe it's enough. Or you stop after 4 that follow the same system as shown in this example. And you refer them at your own speed. 1 member every second day for 8 days is simply the way we recommend to do it. Wow, we know this is a lot of information. Our kids would call it overshare, but we want you to know that the math is solid. And if you do the work, serve and refer 4 or more friends, then this system works. Before we close, here are some of the questions that our members have posted in our friendly Facebook group. The answers to these questions may help you fully understand our system and how you and your team can get started right away. Can I earn 2.74 Bitcoin by only surfing? No, surfing earns you and your team the funds to purchase TPO1 with earnings. The bulk of the 2.74 Bitcoin comes from commissions on referral sales as noted in this outline. Do I have to buy anything? Yes, but as this outline shows, you can surf to earn the 0.00025 Bitcoin that you need to get started, and no out-of-pocket expense is required. The sooner you make your purchase from earnings, the sooner you can begin earning larger commissions from the referrals who purchase as well. What happens if it takes me longer to refer 4 people that duplicate? Will I still earn 2.74 Bitcoin? As long as your referrals refer 4 who follow the system and those people refer 4 and duplicate and so on, you would remain on track to earn 2.74 Bitcoin, but it may take a while longer. How is it possible to earn 2.74 Bitcoin with just 4 personally referred members, even if I earn 80% commissions? Great question. Infinity Traffic Boost reverse 1-up compensation plan provides you with the massive leverage needed to make this possible. Have a look at this image. You earn on your first sale, third sale, and every sale thereafter. You also earn on the second sale from each person passed up to you, and their second sale, and the second sale of them, and their second sale, and so on. So you can see you only have to pass up 1 person on each TPO and can receive an unlimited number of pass-ups from your team. What if I keep referring people and they don't serve or duplicate? An example, they don't refer others. That's okay, you know you are dedicated to success and not everybody else is. Just keep referring and helping until you found 4 that duplicate. I've been surfing every day and have not earned my 2.74 Bitcoin. Why not? As we mentioned before, the bulk of the 2.74 Bitcoin comes from form of referral commissions on purchases made by your referrals and your team. Your surfing is mainly needed to earn the funds for your initial TPO1 purchase as well as to keep your Surf Boost activated. This sounds really exciting, but I don't have the time to surf 100 pages each day. Is there a way I can get started with less work? Yes, check out our Fast Track system once you logged into your free account. So here are again your tasks, they are very simple. First, click on the green Surf Pages button on your dashboard and start surfing your 100 pages to earn 10 Surfers Reward Pool shares. And second, click on Affiliates, then Referral Tools, then Email Marketing to select an email ad copy to send to your 10 best friends who would like to earn 2.74 Bitcoin in 73 days, working just 30 minutes a day. 3. Keep surfing daily and keep referring more members until you have 4 or more that follow this simple system. And that's all there is to it. Together we can change the world, help millions of people to earn online while providing an incredible advertising value proposition. Come join us, share our vision and get started today. The math works. Do you?